Hi, my name is James and I'm from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for our no-drill roller blinds. To measure up, you're only going to need 4 things: a pen or pencil, a piece of paper, a steel tape measure for accuracy, and your smartphone, tablet or computer to upload your measurements straight to our website. When measuring your window recess, you'll need to do so in multiple places for the width and multiple places for the drop, taking note of the smallest of each measurement. Do not make any deductions from these measurements. If you have a part-tiled recess or any other obstructions such as skirting boards, you'll need to measure between these points. Please note that the actual fabric width of your blind will be 35mm narrower overall than the measurement that you provide. This is to allow for the operating mechanism and so that the blind can move freely.